one with the skin of a lion. On your way to the Americas, your plane landed at the Gambia. Gambia received so much rainfall to an extent that President Yaya reported to the airport. He came to you and said, "My king, the rainmaker." You went to Shepton School in England. As you were to enter the gate of the Birmingham Palace, the gate vibrated and the soldiers shivered up on the window. It was the face of Margaret Thatcher. She said, "Who is that one? That looks like Msirigas, the son of Mashobane." On the other side, it was the face of Margaret Thatcher. She said, "Who is that one? That looks like the son of Lomanza Jengamandi." Who is that one? That looks like the son of Buzasem Colonel Setadlin. Bangano to Wandaba, Bangam Bubem Shaba, Bayate! Weno Pagati, Bayate! Weno Pagati.
Funva mwidukulu wa Bwamiki, mwidukulu wa Naika, mwidukulu wa Nabirio, mwidukulu wa Kitimbo, baba kongotera ku ikonero okulwani badadabo. Baba olikalera baana, baba iwe kungane okungane n'ababise. Baba olirujirwanga dda, olitufiira mu kifuba. Baba ise bantu oyakweregangamu asookanga kutaife wansi. Baba tulirwe nkulinga kumpulira isanu. Baba ise bantu olikisanaasana tikinaabwa nteze. Baba era bakinaaza mwana mulwaire olumunaaza tyazaana. Baba ise bantu olikyayi kya ku kigogo niwe okumya obusimizi. Baba ise bantu baba olibona mulala niwe wenka Katonda gwe yagana okuwaya akunaye. Baba idi nebinaabaawo iddo. Baba ise bantu olini lyampiki tibali yakalanga. Baba ise bantu olusaga lwa kigogo tibalusiba ku kyesuubo. Baba oli mukonzi tibagwesuubiraku. Baba oli mutungwa eziragunina nti baginoga bunoge. Baba yekadumbula oyakweriddaku n'amana obukambwe. Baba funvu waise bantu, funvu webyanda n'ebyanda. Baba ninze akasirikale kondi wano mu butono buno olakuyiddaku mwene n'alima n'ekiri mutuukaku. Funvu webyanda n'ebyanda, funvu wa baba, funvu ofuhi obusoga eno okuva ku lwita makoli. Olitufiira mu kifuba. Baba ise bantu oyakweregangamu asookanga kutaife wansi. Baba tulirwe nkulinga kumpulira isanu. Baba ise bantu olikisanaasana tikinaabwa nteze. Baba era bakinaaza mwana mulwaire olumunaaza tyazaana. Baba ise bantu olikyayi kya ku kigogo niwe okumya obusimizi. Baba ise bantu baba olibona mulala niwe wenka Katonda gwe yagana okuwaya akunaye. Baba idi nebinaabaawo iddo. Baba ise bantu olini lyampiki tibali yakalanga. Baba ise bantu olusaga lwa kigogo tibalusiba ku kyesuubo. Baba oli mukonzi tibagwesuubiraku. Baba oli mutungwa eziragunina nti baginoga bunoge.
Right Honorable Rebecca Litwala Kadaga, the first Deputy Prime Minister of Uganda. Honorable Mire Babalanda, the Minister of Presidency. General Edward Katumba Amala, the Minister for Works and Transport. Honorable Kasule Lumumba, the Minister for General Duties in the Office of the Prime Minister. Heads of the Diplomatic Corps, the Chiefs Royal Council of Kyabazinga Busoga, the members of Parliament present today, Cabinet Ministers of Kyabazinga Busoga, the Speaker of Busoga Luchiko and your Deputy, members of the royal family of Kyabazinga Busoga in your various capacities, clan leaders of Kyabazinga Busoga, political leaders present, our esteemed religious leaders, civil servants in your various capacities, distinguished guests, State House staff, the UPDF fraternity here present, the organizing committee for this function, the media fraternity in your various capacities, all protocol observed. Your Majesty, you are most welcome to Busoga Kingdom. We are privileged to host you today and the royal family of Eswatini Kingdom at Igenge Royal Palace. I convey greetings from my beloved people of Busoga Kingdom, and today is a special day in the history of Busoga as we continue to strengthen our relationship with the mighty kingdom of Eswatini through embracing unity of purpose, brotherhood, and safeguarding the present and future generations through promoting our culture and heritage. I thank the President of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the General, for establishing strong bilateral relations between our two countries, that is Uganda and the Kingdom of Eswatini, from which we can tap important brotherly and cultural relationships that have great potential of uniting us as Africans and for the development of our people. In a special way, allow me to thank you for the positive response when we invited you for the Grand Busoga Royal Wedding that took place on the 18th November 2023. And in spite of it being on short notice, you managed to send a great team, which was led by the Royal Princess, plus other delegates. In the same vein, I thank you for the warm welcome and great hospitality you accorded to us during our 4 days official visit to the Kingdom of Eswatini recently. I would also like to extend my appreciation to the Honorary Consul for the Kingdom of Eswatini in Uganda, His Excellency Vamwine, Uganda's Consul to the Kingdom of Eswatini, His Excellency Tobias Kamugisha, along with the Ambassador of the Kingdom of Eswatini in Africa and the entire team that made both visits possible. Your Majesty, the people of Busoga Kingdom whom I lead and myself have great admiration and good wishes for your kingdom. And in particular, your exemplary and steadfast leadership that has preserved the original African culture and heritage. Your Majesty, the two kingdoms have a lot in common, like having a predominantly young population, the respect and love for our culture and heritage, reliance on agriculture, tourism, and a lot more, but also diversity in almost equal measure, which gives greater meaning to brotherhood, which has culminated into opportunities that we shall pursue and have joint development programs through unity of purpose. Your Majesty, for the interest of time, today is not a day for speeches. I would like to introduce to you some of the dignitaries in their various capacities present here that will stand in recognition today, including the kingdom leadership structures. Banaife ndija bitambimpimpi bwensoma erino ba group of category nga mwemendera for recognition. Right Honorable Rebecca Litwala Kadaga, who is a daughter of the soil and the first Deputy Prime Minister of Uganda and the Minister of East African Affairs. Honorable Mide Babalanda, another daughter of the soil, who is the Minister of the Presidency in the Ugandan Cabinet. We have Honorable Kasule Lumumba, who is the Minister for General Duties in the Office of the Prime Minister. We have General Edward Katumba Amala, the Minister for Works and Transport. We have the heads of the diplomatic corps who are here today. We have the Chiefs Royal Council of Kyabazinga, Busoga. Your Majesty, those are the chiefs for the various chiefdoms. We have the Prime Minister of Busoga Kingdom, Dr. Joseph Mvala. Joseph. We have the First Deputy Prime Minister of the Kingdom, Professor Chisambira Mohamed Lubega. We have the Second Deputy Prime Minister for the Kingdom, Chief Ahmed Nur Osman. We have the members of Parliament who are here today, the few that were invited. Then we have Cabinet Ministers for Kyabazinga Busoga in your various capacities. The Speaker of Busoga Luchiko and your Deputy. Members of the royal family of Kyabazinga Busoga, including my family. We have clan leaders in Kyabazinga Busoga. We have Busoga Luchiko members who are present here today. We have political leaders in your various capacities. We have parents for the Inebantu who are here today. We have our esteemed religious leaders. That's today. We have our good friend and neighbor who happens to be a state minister in the government of Uganda, and that is Honorable Diana Mutaswingwa. We have our development partners who are here with us today. We have our partners and friends, the State House staff that we've been working with. We have the UPDF and police fraternity present today. Those are the security organs. The organizing committee for this function. The media fraternity in your different capacities. Thank you for the great job well done. And the rest of our people who are with us today in your various capacities. Thank you for the work you're doing for Kyabazinga Busoga. At this juncture, Your Majesty, King Mswati III, I officially invite you to speak to the gathering because they are eagerly waiting to hear from you. Thank you.